Hey, it's Jeff from Family Legacy Estate Sale again. Continuing on our hunt, opening all these boxes from this large collection that we just recently obtained. Again, everything that you see will be available for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. So without further ado, let's jump right in. We've got, it looks like an Alien 3-pack. These are from the original movie Alien and not Aliens, made by Super 7, so that's a more recent release, but that's very cool. And also another Reaction Super 7 Alien figure. What do we got here? Alien Early Bird issue. This is kind of similar, it looks like, to the Early Bird Star Wars release from the 70s. This is obviously not that old, but neat little piece. And what have we got here? I got a sealed box from Hasbro. I'll have to open that up later. Sorry guys, I don't know what that is. And there's actually two of them. It's got the same code number, so I'll be surprised when we open those later what those are. And this is looks like a Japanese version of these Alien figures. That's kind of neat. And then we've got some more Alien figures. We've got Kane. And we've got Ripley. And then we've got a Marvel Legends Wolverine. It looks like this is from 2022, so that's pretty new. What do we got here? More Alien figures. Super 7. These look like they're the same figure. Xenomorphs, very cool. And this is another box. It's similar to this one. Oh, this might give me an idea of what's in here. This one was opened. It's got a different number on it. But this is an Empire Strikes Back 2-pack retro collection, Dengar and IG-88. So I'm going to assume those other ones are Star Wars as well. What else do we have here? A G.I. Joe Storm Shadow, that's a more recent release. We got another Reaction Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle figure. We got more Alien figures here. Alien. Ash. Different Ripley. And another Dallas. I think that one is, yeah, it's a little bit different. So, okay, very good. We got another figure. This is the Xenomorph Alien figure. So that's, gotta have those. Those are neat. And we got a whole bunch more Ninja Turtles, it looks like. So these are all Reaction Super 7 figures. We got Raphael, Michelangelo, Leonardo, Sewer Samurai, Slash, looks like we got, and we've got some Super 7 figures here as well. It looks like they're Power Rangers. Blue Ranger, yellow, the Green Ranger, Red Ranger, Pink Ranger, and Black Ranger. So the original 6 Rangers. We've got some more Star Wars stuff. Got a card back for Dallas. And this is, I think, the same number as those ones I didn't open. And it's Boba Fett and Bosk. So it looks like I've got 3 of those. And there's another one, and this is the one with IG-88 in it. So I got a couple of those. And now we're getting to Star Wars Retro Collection. We've got Darth Vader, the Armorer, Death Trooper, Obi-Wan, Wicket, and this Boba Fett, Lando, Han, Lando again, different Lando, Bo-Katan, oh, and we got another Ninja Turtle, Donatello. And then we've got 2 boxes of, looks like, retro collection figures here as well. We'll see which ones are in here. Well, I don't think these were taken out of the box. We've got the Mandalorian. We've got the Child, Grogu. Quill. Cara Dune. She's always a little harder to get. Moff Gideon. IG-11. And Grief Karga. Very neat. There's another box of them here as well. So that was from the Mandalorian TV show. And these look like Empire Strikes Back. Yeah, we've got Yoda. We've got Luke. We've got Leia. Hoth. We've got another Lando, so we've got 2 of those Landos. We've got a Boba Fett. Very cool. Han. Hoth system. We've got Leia. Then we've got Luke, Farm Boy. And then finally, another Darth Vader. And that pretty much empties that box. So, a lot of cool stuff. We'll have these up for sale, as I said, very soon on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. If you like the videos, and want to see the most recent releases we put to our website, like us on Facebook or follow us on our YouTube channel. See you soon.